Welcome to the first video of Trading with Python series. In this video, we will have an introduction to MetaEditor 5 integration. What you will learn in this video is how to set up Python to start writing your own algo trading programs. Then we will look at MetaEditor 5, how to open a trading account with a broker company. And lastly, I will show you how to write Python programs in MetaEditor, which is the MT5 IDE. To download Python, go to python.org/downloads and click on the download button. Make sure to add Python to path and then click install now. In the command prompt after installation, you can type pip install MetaEditor 5 to install the MetaEditor 5 library. Also, you will need a trading platform to trade on, and I'm affiliated with icmarkets.com, who offers live and free demo accounts on the MetaEditor 5 platform. You can check the link to this broker in the descriptions below. After downloading the MetaEditor 5 platform and receiving login credentials from your broker, let's write our first Python script. Please make sure that algo trading is enabled, and let's open the IDE by clicking on this icon. This is the MetaEditor where you can write your code, and to create our first Python script, let's click on New, select Python script, and here we will choose a name for a Python script. Let's choose Hello World. For now, we'll only need the MetaEditor 5 library. And here we already have a layout for our code. Here we have our MetaEditor 5 library imported already. And what this code does is it initializes our MetaEditor 5 platform. That means that the platform is running. So now we can type our code here. And what we will type is print hello world. Let's save the script and try to run it in our platform. After clicking refresh in the navigator, your Python script should appear. And if we now drag the script onto the chart, the script should have run. And in the experts tab, we see hello world. Of course, as algo traders, we don't only want to print hello statements to a terminal, but we want to place an actual trade in the market. So I've prepared a script to open a trade, and the script's name is open trade. Let's see what it looks like. So I've defined the symbol name USD, and what I want to do is buy one lot on the euro US dollar. I've defined the lot size 1.0. I want to buy for the current market price, and we buy for the ask price here, and we're defining the point values, which is the smallest digit on the USD. This is important to define things such as deviation, stop loss, take profit, as they take the minimum increment price into account. Then I'm creating a request dictionary that will be passed to a function that will send it to the MetaTrader to process it on the live market. And this request has keys such as action. Here we can define what kind of action we want to perform. In this case, we want to create a trade action. Here we specify a symbol, which is EURUSD. Then we specify the type of order, and we want to have a buy order here. For which price? The price is the current ask price. The stop loss is set to 100 points below the buying price, and the take profit is set to 100 points above the buying price. And we see that the point values are important because they determine the decimal value of the stop loss and take profit. The deviation specifies how much slippage we want to have maximum for this order, and we can also specify the magic number, which is a unique number that is assigned to every strategy or algo strategy in MetaEditor 5. You can also add comments. In this case, we have Python script open, and also specify the time and filling of the order. Here we are using GTC, which stands for good till cancelled, and we are using IOC, which is immediate or cancel. Immediate or cancel is an order type that basically says you can partially fill me for the order, and if you can't fill me for the rest, then cancel the order. So this dictionary here is wrapped inside MT5.orderSend, and ordersend is sending the order to MetaEditor 5 server to process it in the markets. And here we have a print statement to see what this order does, if it's successful or if it failed. So let's go back to MetaEditor 5 and let's drag open trade onto the chart, and this is basically running the script. As we can see, after dragging this script onto the chart, an order has been placed, or a position has been opened on EURUSD by volume 1. And we see now that this Python script works, and we can also confirm that in the experts tab, where we have the order result of this order. This is it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will be back with another video.